Imagine a universe, not of stars and galaxies, but of plastics. We use them every day. They are vital to our modern world, but how do we ensure their quality? Enter ASTM D3835. This isn't science fiction, it's a test, a standardized test. It helps us understand how melted plastic flows. Think of it as measuring the viscosity of a cosmic fluid, but on a much smaller scale. This test is critical. It ensures that plastic products are made to exact specifications. Whether it's a water bottle or a spacecraft component, consistency is key. Join me as we journey into the fascinating world of ASTM D3835. We'll uncover its secrets and discover its importance in our everyday lives. In the cosmic dance of polymers, flow is everything. ASTM D3835 unveils the secrets of this dance. It tells us how easily a molten plastic will flow under pressure. The test measures the melt flow rate, or MFR. This is the weight of plastic that flows through a die in 10 minutes. Higher MFR means the plastic flows more easily. Imagine a river. A wider river will have a higher flow rate than a narrow one. Why is this important? Because different products need different flow properties. A plastic bag should flow easily to be made thinly. A car bumper needs to be strong and less fluid. ASTM D3835 helps us predict how a plastic will behave during manufacturing. This ensures consistent quality and performance in every product. To unlock the secrets of melt flow, we need specialized tools. The heart of the ASTM D3835 test is the melt flow indexer. This instrument consists of a heated barrel. Inside the barrel is a precisely machined die. A piston applies pressure, forcing the molten plastic through the die. A timer measures the test duration. A balance weighs the extruded plastic. These measurements allow us to calculate the melt flow rate. It's like measuring the pulse of a star, but instead of light, we measure plastic. The accuracy of these instruments is crucial. They are calibrated regularly to ensure reliable results. Section 4. Charting the course. A step-by-step guide to ASTM D3835. Imagine following a cosmic recipe. The ASTM D3835 test follows a precise procedure. First, we prepare the plastic sample. It's like gathering stardust. We need the right amount for accurate results. Next, we heat the melt flow indexer to a specific temperature. Different plastics melt at different temperatures. It's like finding the right temperature for a star to form. Then we load the plastic sample into the barrel. The piston applies pressure, pushing the molten plastic through the die. It's like witnessing the birth of a star as material shoots out from its core. We measure the weight of the extruded plastic over a specific time. It's like tracking the movement of a comet across the night sky. Finally, we calculate the melt flow rate. This tells us about the plastic's flow properties. It's like deciphering the secrets of the universe encoded in starlight. Each step is carefully controlled to ensure accurate and repeatable results. Section 5. Universal standards, ensuring consistency in the polymer universe. Just as the laws of physics govern the cosmos, standards govern the world of polymers. ASTM D3835 is one such standard. It provides a universal language for describing the flow properties of plastics. This ensures that manufacturers, suppliers, and customers are all on the same page. Imagine if every civilization in the cosmos used different units of measurement. Communication would be impossible. ASTM D3835 helps to streamline the production and trade of plastic products. It fosters trust and collaboration within the industry. This ultimately benefits consumers by ensuring the quality and reliability of the products they use every day.